Hi, today I'm going to make these really pretty and very simple to make flowers. A bit like roses, would look lovely in any arrangement or bouquet. Materials required are crepe paper in pink and green, a thick wire and green floral tape. All the measurements are in centimeter. This is the stencil for the petal. This is 6.5 by 5 centimeters. Cut 12 pieces. This is of the sepal. This is 3 by 2.5. Cut 1 piece. And this is for the center, a strip. This is 6 by 2 centimeters. Cut 1 piece. Take a petal and just start where the curve starts of the top. Just bend it a little backwards and stretch the paper. So you get a petal like this. And just keep your finger on the side and push it forward a bit. So this is what the petal would look. So I've already done with the others in the same way. So here are all the 12 petals. Now take the piece, the strip for the center, just stretch it a bit. Apply glue on it. Take the thick wire and just put it in the center. And wind it on the wire. Like so. Now take one petal, apply glue on one side a little bit, just so much. Take another petal. Now the first one, so just match the points, these points, and leave so much of the petal and just stick it. Now just after the first one, from the third petal onwards, just overlap a little bit, not too much, like so. Stick it. I'm sticking all these petals. It will look like this. 4 more to go. And the last one. So this is how the petals would look. So now just apply glue on the base of all these petals. Put the wire like this. First, just fold the first petal inwards. Now just bring them all together, just creating a sort of a swirl. Like this. And on the last petal, just apply some glue on the petal and stick it. Press the base. This is how the flower would look. Take the sepal and just stick it at the base of the flower. Take some green floral tape. Stretch it. And this is how the flower would look.